Okay, so there is a sheet that you received from me. One side was what happened to the little boy who swallowed the silver dollar, and the other side was whom you should see at the bank if you need to borrow money. And both are pretty much the exact same practice. You're graphing in y-intercept form. Okay, so I'm going to do 4 from the side where it's the silver dollar one. Okay, I'm going to do 2, 3, 4, and 9. Okay, and then on the other side, it's pretty much the exact same thing. Okay, so let's look at number 2. All right, so all of these are in the form y equals mx plus b. Okay, remember, start on the y-axis. Okay, and then the m gives you the direction after that. Okay, you try to make it a fraction, right? And if the fraction is negative, the top number you go down. If it's positive, the top number you go up, and the bottom number you always go right. Take a look at number 2 here. So for number 2, I'm trying to get the lighting here. All right, so for number 2, the y-intercept is 1, the constant, the number that doesn't have the x on it. It is 1. Okay, so since the y-intercept is 1, that's where we're going to start on the y-axis. And you start there. How do you start? Here's the y-axis, right? You just put a dot at 1. Okay, so the slope, it is negative. That means the top number you go down. Top number 2, it's negative, so you go down. From here, you go down 2. The bottom number, the 3, the denominator, you always go right. So we go down 2 and then right 3. 1, 2, 3. Put a point. Okay, we're going to connect our points. That's how our line is going to look. Now we're going to finish it off to the left. Okay, so to keep it looking like a line, we have to go up 2 and then left 3. Up 2 and then left 3 and put a point. Okay, and this one goes through L, so I think at the bottom you cross out the L. All right, let's look at number 3. For number 3, the y-intercept is a negative 2. So on the y-axis, you put a point. You start at negative 2 by putting a point there. Now the slope, the coefficient of the x is the slope. It's 3/4. It's positive. That means the top number you go up. So we're going to go up 3. From negative 2, we go up 3. 1, 2, 3. The bottom number, no matter what, you always go right. So you go right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you put a point. You're going to connect those points. You're going to finish it off to the left. So you know your line's going to look like this now. So it looks like if I'm going to the left, it's down 3 and then left 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. But remember, when you start off, right, from the y-intercept, that bottom number, you always go right. Okay. All right, let's take a look at number 4. So number 4, only thing different about number 4, there's our slope. It's 2. Our y-intercept is a negative 3, right? We're going to start off at negative 3. 1, 2, 3. We start off by putting a point at negative 3. The slope is not a fraction, so we're going to make it into a fraction by putting a 1 under it. 2 is the same as 2 over 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So if it's not a fraction, we make it into a fraction by putting a 1 underneath. The fraction just helps us visually get the directions that we need. Okay, because now as a fraction, I know I start at negative 3. So that top number, the 2, I go up. So the top number, the 2, I go up. 1, 2. The bottom number, you always go right. So you go up 2, right 1, put a point. Up 2, right 1, put a point. Up 2, right 1, put a point, all the way through the graph. Now you know your line's going to look like that. Now it's going to look the same over to the left, right? So to go to left 1. Okay, it looks like this one's going to go through K. Okay. In number 9, so in number 9, notice the coefficient of x is 4. That's your slope. Okay, so 4 over 1. There is no constant, right? There's no minus this or plus that. That means since there's no constant, it's just the same thing as plus 0. Okay, so it's 4x plus 0. So our y-intercept is 0. That's where it starts on the y. That's where you start. So the top number 4, you go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. The bottom number is 1. You always go right for that bottom number, no matter what. Okay, and to the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, left 1. Okay. Oh, and in number 8, since there is no coefficient of x, remember that means there's a 1 there. Right? So this actually is a negative 1. And if we want to make a fraction out of it, we need also, okay? So this one does have a constant. The constant is 3. That's the y-intercept. So you start on the y-axis at 3. The slope is negative, so that means the top number you go down. So down 1, the bottom number you always go right. Down 1, right 1. Down 1, right 1. Down 1, right 1. Okay, so the line looks like that. Get off to the other side. Up 1, left 1.